Cali 22 update. Day 2. 3 Jamaican medals. Enough excitement and an unfortunate injury. Here's a quick update for the action for Jamaica on the afternoon session of Day 2 of the Under 20 Championships in Cali, Colombia. And what an evening it was, filled with lots of excitement, anticipation, expectation, and even some pain and surprises for our athletes and ourselves as fans. But before I quickly fill you in on the afternoon action, I want to take just a second to correct an error I made in a post yesterday regarding our 400-meter hurdler, Onika Makanoff. In it, I mistakenly said that Onika had not qualified for the semi-final of her event. That was incorrect. In fact, she had placed third in her heat with a time of 59.45 seconds to qualify for the semis on day 3 at 3:05 p.m. Sorry about that, Miss Makanoff, and here's wishing you the best of luck in that upcoming semi-final. Now back to day 2's afternoon happenings. In the first event of the afternoon for Jamaicans, we had Demario Prince taking the second place position in semi-final 1 of the men's 110-meter hurdles, clocking a 13.58 personal best to do so. We will see him again in the final on day 3 at 6:25 p.m. In semi 3 of the same event, we saw Deshaun Lamb finishing in 13.76 for the 4th place spot, but unfortunately not qualifying to move on to the final. Next came the men's 100-meter semifinals at 3:40 p.m. Jamaica's Sandre Davison was in semifinal 2. When the starter sent them off, Davison got off to a good start, but a few meters later fell to the track, writhing in agony after suffering an injury. Nkrumah was in semi 3, which he won comfortably in a time of 10.11, which was a national under 20 record for Jamaica. Next came the final of the mixed 4x400 meters relay, where the Jamaican team claimed the bronze medal, finishing in 3 minutes 19.98 seconds. In the men's shot put at 6:15 p.m., Jamaica's Kobe Lawrence took the silver medal with a new personal best of 20.58. To close out the day, we took part in the men's 100-meter final, where Buwaji Nkrumah once more did Jamaica proud by winning the silver medal, whittling his previous personal best from earlier down to 10.02 seconds, a new national under-20 record for Jamaica. He was so overwhelmed with happiness at his performance that he cried tears of joy, a fitting end to a day of competition for Jamaica. Now we look expectantly towards day 3, where we should be seeing other great performances. Among them, performances by Tina Clayton and Serena Cole in the women's 100 meters.